No. Maggi, you come and make a friend of them. And let you take Maggi, I'm going to mess with you. What thing they do you? Why are you like this?
Nothing they do me.
Nothing they do you. And let you get a why did you tell her like this? What's the problem? Why did you come to London and suddenly change your working style?
That is the point. I came to London and I learned.
You learned what?
How to walk.
I don't understand. Which kind how to walk?
All the places where they pass, now so they see people they walk. I said maybe I the lack behind. So I ventured into the same type of walking.
Hey, what did this one will come be? You started walking like something. You should know what it is before you can venture into it.
I came to know. I see people handmade and a quick t-shirt. I follow suit. I ventured inside.
Igbo conduct.
I'm daughter. They bang you that check it. I got check that go be akpa
Chimamanda.
That's surprised, I learned fast.
When the boga because everyone estate in Lagos, everyone Moyan and the hope, everyone the light to star hot promotion manager. And now costing him the book, Bolly when you want to call investment. Malakan daughter, no me prakanon. I said I have to. I have to officer. I did hear Tom.
I have the doctor said I have cancer. I will live for 2 days and I will go. How do you
Hey,
my choco. Nothing make them they do that.
I'll tell you, I'll tell you, Hannah.
I don't do it.
Any ton, educate American government. Even only one dollar, I get a
it's energy now.
I just hear American government.
I what them come with.
Huh?
It's a government is here. I want the parliament.
Gadala is another Pacagma up. I got
I don't
oh, yeah, I got a government over there. I thought you were only Buddha. What is you get the community card?
in other words, all your name.
Yeah, we have over there. A joy and
I'm up for them bones.
Came with it. Mama born on our lap.
How I am now. I should follow
suit.
Okay. You will allow for on your mask. Get ready. A set. Move it. Move. Regardless. Move. You want move. You want move it. Move it.
You got 35 after shake, 35 seconds. Forward ever backward.
Okay.
What you got in the half now? You know, come where? Where you're gonna see Senya is supporting. My sister is here.
Oh, I should.
It's the motion way. I can't wait. No one don't go now.
I don't know who you're
If anyone would do. Hey, no wonder.
Now we're hanging up. They lose shoes. You go get out.
I'm going to arrest you. Now you're going to do something. Maybe you carry on. Maybe you carry car. Come here. Say make a the way you talk, not be the same thing where I put them. You get now see me see what if you want to make we fight, we go fight. I go beat someone get this on you. Hey, what is going on here? What's the matter? Why are you raising your voice? What's the problem? Okay, now my motor be this. And now you like change oil. I can't carry this motor come here. Tell me this guy when they just do like on top of Alanya, men put oil for me, men put normal oil for me. That this motor they if they come out smoke where you can't put out the motor then they start again. I dey respect you.
Calm down, your customer is always right. What is the problem?
Okay, see you. This man carry him car come here. Say make I put oil. I tell him the oil where we get. I tell him say na hardest where we get. Say make I put the hardest for that. He say no, make I not put hardest. Say make I not put, make I put abaraba. Say make I buy abaraba put for that.
Wait, abaraba you buy garale.
Oga suppose no hear am. But I just buy the abaraba put am for that.
Oga, what do you expect when you demand for abaraba? Abaraba ka buy garala. Abaraba we have buy garala ya buy no. But if you had asked him to use our product, say it's hardest synthetic engine oil. No motor where they use our product where no be a pasa. Our product is one of the best in the whole global. If I put this hardest now, this one to go up. Hardest synthetic engine oil. This engine oil is #1 in the whole world. It's a global product. Once you put them for your motor, good morning Lagos, good morning Onitsha. Good morning Lagos, good morning Abuja. Motor gabura pasa.
I'm gonna put them. Una get engine oil.
We get them.
Gearbox oil pan. Brake oil pan. The oil filter. The fluid oil pan.
Try hardest product today in all your automobile. Then come and thank me later. Hardest remove. Hardest remove. Hardest remove.
Okay, use the product for the gear oil.
Hardest engine oil. The best. You can call us on 081 0622 4319 or 081 06277 091. You can email us at hardestnig@gmail.com. Hardest engine oil, tested and trusted, na the best. Only waiting for oil, hardest ebano, na the best. Good for your motor, your generator and motorcycle, na the best. Quality na the second name. Hardest engine oil, na the best.